Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're lighting things up with a product that promises to make your skin glow like never before. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have the perfect luminous highlight that doesn't just sit on the skin, but blends seamlessly for a natural yet radiant finish? Well, that's exactly what Too Faced's Moon Crush Highlighter aims to do. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Too Faced's Moon Crush Highlighter in the shade 01 Shooting Star is a powder-based highlighter designed to give you that ethereal, champagne-like glow. With a shimmering, weightless finish, it's formulated to blend effortlessly on the skin while delivering a luminous effect that's perfect for adding a bit of radiance to your complexion. The color, described as an effervescent champagne, has the potential to work across a wide range of skin tones, thanks to its versatile, light coverage. When I first tried the highlighter, the texture immediately impressed me. It's incredibly soft, almost creamy to the touch. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and it goes on like a dream, blending in without any streaks or patches. I applied it to the high points of my face, cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and the cupid's bow, and the effect was immediate. It gave a subtle, luminous finish that felt fresh and youthful, not overly glittery or blinding. As far as performance goes, this highlighter held up throughout the day. I wore it during my typical routine, which includes a full day of work, and it didn't fade or oxidize. The shimmery finish remained intact, giving me that just glowed-up look well into the evening. However, if you're someone who prefers a more intense highlight, this may feel a bit too light for you. It's not the type of product that delivers that bold, blinding effect, which could be a con for some users. One of the standout features here is the versatility in blending. I tried it both on top of foundation and over a more matte base, and it adhered beautifully in both cases. The product is also buildable, so you can easily layer it for a more intense shimmer, though it never feels cakey or too much. Now, for the pros and cons, on the positive side, the highlighter's texture is exceptional, soft, smooth, and incredibly blendable. It creates a natural, luminous finish that can suit a variety of skin tones. I also love how it doesn't settle into pores or emphasize texture, which is often a challenge with powder highlighters. On the downside, I'd say that for some, the coverage might be too light. If you're someone who likes a bold highlight, you might need to apply several layers to achieve the desired intensity. Additionally, if you have a deeper skin tone, the champagne shade might not show up as vibrantly as it does on lighter skin tones, so that's something to consider. As for value for money, it's on the pricier side for a highlighter, but given Too Faced's reputation for quality and the overall performance of the product, I'd say it's worth it if you're looking for a more natural, buildable glow. It lasts well, and the packaging is sleek and sturdy, which makes it easy to carry around. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are plenty of drugstore highlighters that could give you a similar effect, though they might not match the blendability or texture that Too Faced delivers. But if you're someone who likes luxury beauty products, I think this highlighter holds its own. Now for a final verdict. Too Faced Moon Crush Highlighter is a great option if you're looking for a highlighter that gives a glowing and natural finish without being too intense. It's perfect for everyday wear or for those who prefer a lighter, more subtle shimmer. However, if you prefer a more intense or dramatic highlight, this may not be the one for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.